How to log in to Post Office credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Post Office credit card login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, postoffice.co.uk. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right, you're gonna see the option of login. Click on it. Then click on the option of credit cards. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username or the email address that is linked with your account. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password or username, click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, click on sign in, and just for that you'll be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into Post Office credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.